How to create a real estate website tutorial 2023 Wix real estate website. And in this video, we're going to be discussing how you can create yourself your very own real estate website by using one of the best e-commerce website building platforms out there. Yes, I am talking about Wix. We're going to be discussing all of that in great depth and detail. So just please do make sure to watch this video till the end and listen to all the instructions I have to provide you with, because there is a lot to gain from this video. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight into it. Now, basically, first of all, what we're going to do is obviously we're going to go ahead and we're going to discuss the main things of Wix. We're going to sign ourselves up, and then we're going to do the rest of the essentials. So now that we're here, we're going to head to Wix.com website builder. Now, once we're here, it says create a website without limits, build and scale with confidence from powerful site infrastructure to advanced business solutions. We have got you covered. So obviously, we know that Wix is it's just amazing. It's one of the best e-commerce platforms out there. It's like right up there with Shopify and WordPress, and it just works amazing. Like, look at this. This website was created by using Wix. And then if you go down, one platform, infinite possibilities, unlimited creations. Create a website with a complete suite of advanced functionalities and bring your vision to life. Powerful infrastructure, get an enterprise-grade foundation engineered for your limitless scalability and peace of mind. The place for growth, convert and scale seamlessly with built-in marketing and business solutions. Website templates that set you up for success. Get a head start on your journey with 900 plus free customizable website templates, strategically researched and tailored for every industry. Or you can start from a blank canvas on Wix's very own website builder. You can build more than a website, from selling online, starting a blog, and organizing events to promoting your business and building your community. Create a website that can grow with you. And create it in your way. Smart drag and drop editor, thousands of advanced design capabilities, custom domain, logo, and more brand tools, full stack web dev tools for custom functionality, AI technology that creates a site for you. A website foundation engineered for growth. Faster loading. Wix is designed for performance so that your website loads much faster. Built with SEO in mind, get the SEO capabilities you need to optimize your site for search visibility. Enterprise-grade security. We keep your site and visitors' data protected 24/7. Resilient infrastructure, multi-cloud hosting ensures 99.9% uptime even during traffic spikes. Accessible for everyone, make your own website inclusive with built-in accessibility tools. Take your business where it needs to go. E-commerce, sell online and manage your business with powerful e-commerce solutions. Then there's the blog, where you can create a free blog, grow a loyal audience, and monetize your content. You have your very own scheduling software where you can offer your services and deliver a seamless booking experience for your clients. You have the portfolio, where you increase your visibility and attract new clients with your work. You have domain and hosting, where you can get scalable free web hosting when you create your own website and connect a professional domain name. And then there's branding tools, where you can establish a strong brand identity with a customizable logo, color, and text themes, and much more. Drive traffic that converts. Promote your business and reach the right audience. Complete SEO solutions, AI-driven Facebook and Instagram ads, email campaigns, social posts, and much more. Manage your business like a pro. Capture leads, get reports and insights. Automate your business and more from desktop or on the go from your phone with the Wix Owner app. Everything is synced for seamless management experiences. How to create a free website. Follow these 6 simple steps to create a website today. So basically, to create your very own website, you're going to follow these simple steps. Sign up for a free website builder. Choose what kind of website you want to create. Customize a template or get a website made for you. Choose your starting point. Drag and drop thousands of design features. Add text, galleries, videos, vector art, and more. Get ready for business. Add an online store, booking system, members area, and blog. Publish your website and go live. Start building your professional online presence. Drive traffic to your site. Use advanced SEO tools and integrated marketing solutions. Get inspired, gain new skills, and see what's trending for you. Why the Wix website builder is the best choice for you? When you create a website using our website builder, everything is there to build your business the way you want. Run it with total peace of mind, knowing that there's enterprise grade infrastructure built into every site with free, reliable web hosting, around the clock maintenance, and full managed security. Use their tailor made customizable templates and thousands of designs features to help you bring your vision to life. You can also add your own code for total design control. Bring more people to your site and convert visitors with a wide range of built in e commerce and business solutions like SEO and marketing tools. Plus, you will always have the support you need with 24 customer care, which is also a pretty good feature about Wix. So now that we've discussed all that, let's go ahead and discuss the pricings before we get into, making our account and the site. So when it comes to the pricings, we have like all these plans. Now, Wix gives you hundreds of templates, unlimited pages, and top grade hosting, free, upgraded premium, and get even more. Now, the website plans, which is just great for showcasing a professional site, are like, first of all, there's your Connect Domain website, which is the most basic, most cheapest plan, I could say, which is $4.50 a month. Then there's the combo, which is $8.50. Then there's unlimited, which is $12.50. And then there's VIP, which is $24.50. Now, this is obviously if you want to create a website, which is only for showcasing a professional, like, your business or something like that. And yeah, then you could go with, because we're making a real estate website. So this is the plan that you could be going for. But then there's also the business and e-commerce plans, which is essential for accepting payments. So let's say if you're making a real estate website where you're asking for, investments and stuff like that, then you can make a website like this with the e-commerce plan, because if you don't have the e-commerce plan, then you cannot accept online payments from others. So yeah, there's the business basic where you can accept online payments for $17 a month, then your business unlimited, and then the business VIP where you get the full suite of features and stuff like that. Then finally, there's enterprise plans, which is built for large scale businesses. So obviously, Vivo uses it, Kroger, Bolt, Intuit, Glassdoor, many people use this, so it's pretty trustful. So now that we've discussed about all that, let's go ahead and get started with the main process of creating our website. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using a temp mail for my sign up process, but if you're doing this for the long run, please, I recommend that you use a proper email for yourself. So I'm just going to wait, and here we are. Here is my email. I'm going to put it here, then you're just going to paste it here and make sure it's the right email. And I repeat, I'm just using a temp mail just like only for the video purposes. If you're doing this for the long run, if you're doing this because you want to make a proper living of this, then trust me, you're going to need to use a proper email, a proper business email, or maybe your Gmail email or something like that. But yes, please do remember to use a proper email. Now, once that is done, let's set you up with the right tools. First, who are you creating a website for? Now, it could be for yourself, or it could be for a client, because it could be that you're from Fiverr or Upwork, something like that, and someone hired you to make a website for them. So you can choose this if you want to, but for now, I'm going to go with myself. You can skip all this process, but I recommend that you fold this in, because according to this, according to the answers you give, it's going to optimize your website. Now, over here, obviously, we're going to put in real estate. Okay. Real estate could be a landing page. It could be, developer, consulting agency, stuff like that. I'm just going to go with a real estate agency. I'm going to click on next. Now, once I click on next, what's going to happen is, as you can see, as I told you, if you don't skip, it's going to prepare your dashboard and optimize your website according to what you ask it to. So there you are. Now it just loads you in, and this is where all the fun starts. This is where you're going to be doing most of the things. So now over here, first of all, or I'm just going to wait for the dashboard to fully load up. Now, once the dashboard fully loads up, as I said, here's where the fun starts. Here is where you're going to get all your features to mess around with. Now, obviously, before going to create your real estate website, you're going to make sure that you're going to fill in all the possible information you can about everything, because we don't want to just like this. We don't want to leave it uncompleted, because I don't know. I just don't prefer it like that. So what we're going to do for this is we're going to go, first of all, we're going to click on add your first service, because obviously we're a real estate website. So obviously we're going to add the service. We're going to tell them what our real estate is, what we're going to provide, what we're going to show. So the service could be, maybe it's property management, property financing, buyer consultation. As I said, like let's say you want people to view your buyings or open house, you could set appointments for that. And when you're setting appointments, what's going to happen is it's a decent process where you're going to give them all the information that you can when it comes to, like you could say, plugging in appointments. So now that we're here on appointments, let's create an appointment for ourselves, okay? So the appointment is a buyer consultation. So let's say a person comes to our, you could say, open house, and they want to buy, and we're gonna keep, an appointment for them. So, or you know what? I'm just gonna call this open house. It's an open house for like the real estate, my house or my, something that I built. It's an open house for that. So first of all, you're gonna keep the name, and once you've done that, you're gonna add an optional tagline, okay? Now, the optional tagline could be anything, basically, essentially. So let's go with this is the best state you will ever see. Don't exactly add this if you're making a real estate website, but you get the point. Once you do that, you're going to describe what this offer does and what the client should do. So in this open house, I will be showing you around the whole estate and describing what each room is and how it was made, and like just add a good description which like makes a lot of sense according to your website. And once you're done with that, you're going to put in the duration, okay? So just go with whatever duration you want. You can choose your buffer time, and once all of that is done, you're going to go to price and payment. And once you're in price and payment, here it says choose how clients can pay for this service of yours. So it could be per session, could be with a plan, or it could be per session or with a plan. That depends on the client, whatever they want. So with a plan is when client buys a membership or package to book sessions with. Per session is just, straight up hard cash. Like per session, they're going to come to you, give you money, and then go away. That's it. So I recommend doing it per session, or like it totally depends on you. I'd recommend per session. Now, once you do per session, what's going to happen now is we're going to go over here where it says price type. Okay. Now in the price type, we're obviously going to put in, as it says, the price type. So it could be a fixed price. It could be for free. It could be varied prices. Now, fixed price is obviously, as it says, a fixed price, like $50, $40, a fixed price. Free is free. I mean, you don't want to do that. Varied prices are different price options. Like let's say if it's a family, then the price could be low. If it's like a single person, then the price could be high. You get the point. Then there's the custom price, okay? Now the custom price is like whatever you want to charge them or however you want to charge them. But I think the best would work is fixed price. Once you do that, you're going to put in your price, okay? And once you put in the amount, you're going to choose the payment preferences. Now, the payment preferences can also vary. They could be, entire amount online, entire amount in person, whatever you want. So in this case, you're going to give them a choice, either online or in person. Totally depends on them. And once all of this is done, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to go and click on save. Now, once you click on save, what's going to happen is it's going to basically save your appointment as it is. Now, you're probably wondering what does that do? How does that help our website? Don't worry, I'm going to get into that in a second. For now, we're going to go back to home, okay? And once we're in home, here it says set up your payment methods, because obviously if you're like adding a service where people are going to be paying you, you're going to have to set up payment methods. For that, we're going to go and set up payments, okay? Now, once you go and set up payments over here, obviously you're going to, you can either connect through manual payments, or it could be a Skrill credit card or Skrill digital wallet if you have a Skrill. Now, I'd recommend just going with manual payments. You're going to go in manual payments, okay? Now, it could be cash payment, offline payment, cash on delivery, okay? Totally depends on you. And, I just think cash payment or cash on delivery, that's just best. Let your customers know how to pay, okay? You're just going to type something that they're going to know. Okay, yes, I'm going to pay this way, I'm going to pay that way, etc. And once you've obviously optimized those settings up, then what you're going to do is you're going to head on, again, you're back to your home. And once you're back to your home, here it says connect a custom domain. Now, yes, This is extremely important, connecting a custom domain and a business email, because without this, you won't be able to publish your website out to the world and show them what your beautiful real estate website has. So connect a domain, okay? Be very careful when you're writing a domain and making a domain for yourself. Make sure you don't get a copy domain, and make sure you keep a domain which is, widely searched. Go and check the SEO, see what's going to work best if someone searches your domain and stuff like that. Just optimize it with your SEO. And once you do that, all you're going to do is, let's say my real estate website is called bighouses.com. Okay, something like that. You get the point. And I'm going to click on Let's Go. And once I click on Let's Go here, as you can see, it starts searching a domain with this name. And once it finds a good domain with this name, what we're going to do is it's going to give us variations. So bighouses.net, bighouses.info, bighouses.online. As you can see, we get all these options. Now, you're going to choose any one of these. Obviously, you're going to pay for them. You don't get domains for free. Now, once you have paid for them, what's going to happen is you're going to successfully have a domain. And once you have a domain, what's going to happen then is you're going to basically connect your business email, which is going to be right here. And you're just going to click on connect. Okay. Now, once you click on connect, you're going to obviously first connect the domain. And once you've connected the domain, connect the business email, and you're fully set to go with like the domain and stuff. Then and only then finally where we will come to design our website. Okay, so this is where the magic is going to happen. Now, once you come to designing your website here, it says, how would you like to design your website? Let Wix create a site for you, or customize a designed template. Now, let Wix create a site for you basically means that like Wix has their own website building AI, and that AI is basically going to build a website for you. Now, it's a pretty good AI, pretty decent AI, works pretty good, pretty well. And you can just use that AI to build yourself a website. But like if you're like me and you're not satisfied until everything is like to the last detail is done by you, then you can go with just pick a template. Now the AI one works great as well, but I just recommend making one by yourself. Now once you go here, you have plenty of options. You have tons and tons of templates, okay, that you can choose from. Or you can just choose a blank template. Totally depends on you. Again, go with any random template or just choose a blank template, okay? Now, if you have no experience in making a website, I'd recommend that you go with a proper template. But if you're like pretty experienced in all this stuff, then you can just go with blank template, okay, and just start making it. Now, I'm going to go in blank template for now, okay? And we're going to go with a layout, okay? So I'm going to go with this layout, okay? One page layout or overlapping layout, whatever depends on you. You know what? I'm going to go, yeah, here we have it. One page layout. And now you're going to click on edit. Now, once you click on edit, what it does is it slowly starts loading you into the mainframe of the website, where it's going to start asking you to create a website for yourself, okay? So this is where all the backbone consists. This is where all like the fun happens. Now here you have it. Once your website loads, it's going to look a bit like this, pretty empty, not a lot of things going on. Now, don't worry, I'm here for you, and I'm going to teach you every single thing that first off, comes with this website editor. Like it's a basic drag and drop editor. But I'm going to be walking you through all the steps on what you're going to need to do with these drag and drop editors and what we're going to be making out of all this. So, let's just get straight into it. Now, first of all, here is your header. Okay, your header is the place where you're going to see all your navigation tabs. Okay, as you can see, these are all your navigation tabs like home, about, features, etc. This is your site name, obviously. So our site name, as we said, is bighouses.inc. Okay, we're just going to call it that for now. It's a pretty random name, but you get the point. Okay, bighouses.inc. There we go. Now, once we have called out our website, now what we're going to do is obviously we're going to give our header a bit of, you could say, a good color, because it looks pretty dull. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on change column background, and we're going to go on color. Okay, now let's choose a color. Let's choose a nice, it's a real estate website, so we're going to keep it warm. We're going to keep a warm gesture. We're going to keep a warm color. So I'm gonna go with a brown. Okay, I'm gonna go with the brown. And once you go with brown, you're gonna go and edit. And once you go and edit, okay, I'm gonna give it a bit of a lighter shade, bit of a lighter brown shade. Okay, and there we go. So this suits best, I think. There we go. And I'm gonna click on apply, change color theme. Now you're gonna choose any one of these colors if you want to. Again, as I said, we're going to need a warm color scheme. So yeah, let's go with that. That looks pretty decent, looks pretty nice, looks pretty warm. And I'm just going to keep this here. Okay. Now, there are going to be a few things that we're going to need to look at. Okay. Now, Big Houses Inc. Obviously, this is only a text, but let's say you don't like the font. You're going to click on the font. You're going to click on edit text. And you're obviously going to change the size. And once you've changed the size here, you can see you can change the fonts. So you can change it from this to that. You can change it to that. That looks pretty decent. I'm going to keep it that, and I'm going to centralize this. Okay, once that is done, we're going to choose a photo for our background. Okay, now to change the photo, we're going to go on change strip background. We're going to go and style your image, background your way, etc. Okay, so these are going to be all the selected backgrounds, but let's say you don't like any of these images and you want an image for yourself. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on pexels.com. Okay. Now, once you go on pexels.com, what's going to happen is we're going to be redirected to this side where it says, you know, the best free stock photos, royalty-free images, etc. Okay, now what we're going to do is over here, we're going to write real estate. Now, pexels.com is totally royalty-free and it gives you the best images. Like, look at the quality of these images. They're amazing. So let's go with a good real estate picture. Let's go with this. This looks, or you know what? No, wait. I'm going to go up. Yeah, let's go with this. This looks pretty good. It looks like a good suburbia. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go on, again, change strip background. Once you go on background, you're obviously going to go with our very own picture. So we're going to click on image. Now, once you click on image, it's going to open like the whole Wix dashboard. We're going to upload our own media. So I'm going to go and upload media, upload from computer. And here we have the photo. So I'm just going to click on that. Now it's slowly going to upload. Okay. Now, while it slowly uploads, we're just going to wait for it to do that. And while it does that, here we are. So now you're just going to select it. Okay. And yeah, there we go. And look at that. Here we have added our first photo. Now, as we can see, the font isn't matching up with the photo. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and edit text, and we're going to change the color of the font. So you're going to make it a bit bold. You're going to go on color, and then we're going to try to match it accordingly. So I'm going to go with peach, dark peach, okay? And once you're done with a dark peach, we're going to give it, you know, a bit of a character inlining and stuff like that. Wait. Or you could just give it, you know, your text a good highlight. So I'm going to go let's go with this. That looks better. Like, at least you can see your text now. So obviously in this title, we're going to write Big House Real Estate Company, the best in, let's say, Alaska. Okay. So once you have done that, obviously you have this bottom text over here. Then again, we're going to edit this, go and highlight. You can give it a good like highlight. Okay. Now, once that is done, here is your read more button. Okay. Now, basically these are buttons that you can link to other pages or some other, you know, website or link, you know, stuff like that. As you can see, it says linked, and we can see this about page. What this does is it takes you to the about page. So that's pretty cool. It's a good thing to have in your arsenal. And these up here are also like links. As I said, they're navigations, and you can change the navigations of these. Okay, well, now that we've, you know, added like the header of the page and like the section of the first section of the page, now we're going to come here where it says my updates, create beautiful emails, updates, promotion, etc. We're going to go on quick edit, and we're going to change the background for that too. Again, we're going to go on pexels, and once we're in pexels, let's add this image. Okay, this looks pretty good. Now, once we do that, I'm just going to wait for it to download for me real quick. It's going to take a second. And once it's downloaded for you, wait, I'm just going to go ahead and download some other one. Yeah, I'm going to download this one. Now, once these are downloaded for you, basically, what you're going to do, again, we're going to go here, image. And once you're in your image, you're going to go and upload media. Upload media, go and upload from computer. and you're just gonna upload it. Okay. Now, once you're uploading it, you're just gonna wait for it for a second. And as it's uploading, let me tell you this, that like this is mainly how you're gonna make your real estate website. Just, add good pictures, add good texts, and like once you're done adding that, like look at that. Look at how cool that looks. It looks much better than it was, okay? And once we're done with that, what we're gonna do, you can also like change what to show more and what to show less. So as you can see, you can show this more, show that less. And like let's say you don't like this box over here. All you're gonna do is you're gonna click on it, okay? And you're just gonna click on delete. And look at that, it's gone. It's out of there. And let's say you wanna add a new box. You're gonna go and add elements, okay? And you're gonna go on box right here, and it could be a themed box, container box, something like that. So I'm gonna go with themed box, and I'm gonna go with a black one. Okay, I'm gonna position it. It's in the center. Okay, there we go, right in the center. And then you're gonna start adding your text inside it. To add your text, just go on text and add it. And you can also change the design of the box, by the way. Like, let's say you want to make it into the circle or something like that. It's pretty basic, pretty easy stuff. Now, again, if you want to add text inside it, just go on add elements, go on text. And once you're going on text, what you're going to do is, let's say I'm going to go on this, and we're going to write the best interior you will ever put your eyes on. Okay, we're going to put that in. Make sure to centralize the text. It just looks much better. And once you're done with that, what you're going to do is you're going to bring it here, centralize it. There we go. Increase the font. We're going to edit text. We're going to increase the font. Okay, wait, I think I might have messed that up. I'm going to fix that in like a second. And okay, we're just going to lower the font now. And there we go. So just, pretty easy stuff. You can also fix it pretty quickly just by Control Z. That's also a good thing about this. And again, if you can't see the text, just go on, make it bold, give it a good highlight, okay? Just, let's say I'm gonna make it red, okay? And once you've done with that, again, go down, add a photo in the background, like for this, create an about if you want to. Now, obviously, like, you're done with all of this. Now, you're probably wondering, like, what are we going to do about the appointments that we created? Like, you're probably wondering that because obviously I made you sit here and create appointments. So don't worry, I'm going to tell you right now what we're going to do with those appointments. So we're going to go on page home, and we're going to go in a page called Book Online. Now, once you go on Book Online, we're just going to wait for Book Online to open up real quick. And here we have it. Now, here's the Book Online page, and there you have it. We're going to go on our services, and look at that. There's the appointment that we created. And again, you can like give a decent, you could say, background to this. Like, let's say I'm going to add that, or I'm going to add something like that. There's various things that you can add, but just make sure that it's something that matches your, like what you're selling, and it matches your color scheme. We can see this doesn't really match our color scheme. We're gonna go with something a much peachish. So we're gonna go with this. Yeah, there you go. So that matches your color scheme, and then you're gonna go in your Our Services tab. Okay, we're just gonna close this real quick. And once that is closed, you're gonna go in the Add Services tab. Okay, you're gonna go in Settings. And once you go in Settings, obviously here you can like customize your widgets as well. So just customize widgets. You can choose what you need to customize and go on layouts and mess around with the layouts. Like, let's say you want strips. Like you can see it gives it in form of strips like that. If you want it to be overlapping, which I personally think this looks more professional and best, so I just keep it at that. And yeah, from there on out, you can like mess around with more settings just like these, and it's pretty basic and easy stuff. So after this, what you're gonna do is you can add more pages and menus to your page. So as we can see, we only have right now the active pages are home page and Book Online page, but you can also add a service page, a booking calendar page, a card page, a thank you page, and everything like that, because obviously these are necessary. These are essentials for a website like these. So you are bound to add these. Now, again, if you go and add elements, and if you were to discuss about all the elements that Wix provides you with, then we can see that we have the text feature where you can add texts and everything. You have the image feature where you can basically add your images and everything like that. Then you have your button feature where you can basically add all the buttons. Buttons are basically, as I said, they redirect you to somewhere, to some place, so it's great for that. Now, if you were to add button, don't redirect someone outside of your website. A lot of people make that common mistake, but I just recommend that I'd say keep it inside your website. Don't redirect someone outside your website because it just ruins the whole perspective of everything. Now, once you have, obviously use buttons, use the text, use images, then you also have strips. Okay, strips are, these image strips over here. These are strips that you can add. These also fulfill your page much. They're pretty good things. Then you have your decoratives, small elements that you can add just to make your, page look much filler, much nicer, much, professional, you could say. Then you have your box galleries. You can add boxes. You have your gallery where you can add photos and videos. You have your menu and anchor. Okay, this is the place where you could say, you add your menus and anchors. So let's say you have your gallery, the menu strips and stuff like that. These are the things right here. Okay, the navigation bars, you could say, in a way. Then you have contact forms where the people who come to your website are going to contact you using this. This is essential because let's say someone wants to contact you and there is no way to contact you. So that's going to be pretty embarrassing, awkward, and then it's just going to ruin the image for you. So I recommend just putting this up and not doing that. And yeah, so once you're done with all of this, once you're done with making your website, which I just told you how to make, you're gonna go in preview. Okay, you're gonna see how your website is gonna look like. You're gonna see if you like what you have made. Okay, now if you don't like what you've made, you can just go back. Let's say I'm gonna go on home, so it's gonna navigate me to the home page what I just created. And look at that. So basically, it's a okay job. Let's say you like what you've done, you're just gonna then click on publish. And once you click on publish, here it says, okay, congratulations, your site is published and live online. So let's say I'm going to go and view site. I can go and see it online, which is so cool. Now, as you can see here, it says this site was designed with Wix.com, create your website today, etc. Now, to remove this, obviously, you're going to need to have a bigger plan. You're not going to do this on the free plan, trust me. So yeah, that is basically how you're going to create a real estate website for yourself in the easiest, most simplest way possible. Now, if I were to give a final verdict on the whole website creation and everything, then I guess what I would like to say about the whole Wix, drag and drop builder and everything is it's a good all-in-one website builder that lets you quickly create attractive websites, even if you have no design or coding experience. Wix is famously popular among bloggers, entrepreneurs, and small business owners. So if you're looking to build a website with a large budget, Wix's affordable plans are worth a closer look. Wix offers free and paid plans, hundreds of design templates, built-in search engine optimizations, and a full range of in-demand features that help you create a functional and attractive online presence. The pros are amazing. It's easy to use. As you can see, it's an amazing drag and drop interface. It has its very own built-in SEO, which you don't get everywhere. It has 200 plus app integrations, which is also pretty cool. The only issues that I have with this is that the visitor analytics are not available on the free plan. Storage limits are on all the plans, and you can't change the templates once your site is live, which is a pretty bad thing. Let's say you want to change the whole look of your website, you can't do that. You're going to have to create a totally new website. Then obviously there's the table of contents. Wix, the rating at a glance, the drag and drop interface, amazing. The monthly cost is okay. Social media integration, it's there and it's great. The email tools are there and they're amazing. Inventory management, SSL certificate, API, everything is there and it's great. It's dope and it's amazing and you should start using it right away. And you obviously know the core features that I just showed you are the great website builder and the amazing templates, which offer and allow you to basically do e-commerce as well and get paid and Basically, they have a good ADI, which is an artificial design intelligence editor, which is ideal for beginners who don't know where to start, as I told you. The Wix ADI asks you a few questions and then builds a basic site for you in like a matter of minutes, which is pretty cool. The second editor is the Wix standard editor, which we just used. With this option, you choose a Wix template and customize it for your needs using the standard Wix drag and drop editor. You can start with the ADI editor and then move to the standard editor at any time. With both editor options, you can enable or disable a mobile-friendly view of your website. The third editor is Editor X, which was introduced in 2020. Editor X lets you create a fully responsive website that looks and works great on all types of devices. It was developed with designers in mind and comes with a full suite of advanced capabilities, including scalable font sizes, grid layouts, stack and scale media, custom breakpoints, docking, and advanced sizing control. Then obviously you have the whole e-commerce world where Wix lets you turn your website into an online store with its business and e-commerce plans. With these plans, you can sell products, take payments, and manage your inventory all in one place. Plus, it has a wealth of features to help you promote your business and convert visitors into paying customers. Its Business Basic plan allows you to accept online payments, while Business Unlimited is designed to help you grow and expand your business with product reviews, subscriptions, multiple currencies, and marketplace selling. Its Business VIP plan offers the entire suite of features such as unlimited dropshipping, products, priority customer support, customized reports, and a customer loyalty program. And yeah, basically, like the pricing and plans all work amazingly. The basic website plan is great. And like in general, it's a great place to make your real estate website. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please drop down a like, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the foreseeable future, please let me know that in the description as well, and I'll make these videos for you as soon as possible. And if you have any issues related to this video, please let me know that in the description as well, and I'll address those issues as soon as I can in the comments to you by tagging you. But yeah, again, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, helps me out a lot. And thank you for sticking till the end of this video. If you are, please drop down a good, nice comment so I can know you watched the video till the end. And yeah, that was all from me. I hope to see you all next time. Goodbye.